sliding window with peaks sa baba guys. Yan. Ito naman guys. Yan guys.
Guys, ito nag-aalap buhay ako guys.
Guys, sliding window guys with peaks. Dalawa yan guys. So ito yung CR, awning, sliding, dalawa guys. Ayan guys, itong awning guys, parehas. Fixed glass naman yan guys. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. Tempered glass nito guys. Tempered glass. Lahat po yan guys. Ay mga excellent taga-linggayin guys. Yan. Kaway-kaway ka naman dyan. Yan. Perlita, ito na yung syota mo. Wala na, tutulala. Hindi ka na umuwi. Yan. Si Kalbo, masamang tao.